Okay, yo, welcome back. Okay, I hope you know how to do your double crochet now. So now I want to introduce you to this thing. It is called a stitch marker, and it is very important. Like the name applies, you use it to mark stitches, but I will demonstrate how to use it here for you. You can also use a yarn, but a yarn that is of a different color, so that you'll be able to see where you have marked. So now I want to grow our work, want to grow our project. So this time around, when you want to grow your project, when it comes to double crochet, what you do is that you do two chains after your last double crochet. Just do 1, 2 chains. So after some people do actually do 3 chains, but I prefer to do 2 chains because it's going to leave a small space in between the next stitch, and I don't want that. So 2 chains are okay for me. It has been working for me, except when I'm doing some particular type of project. That's when I use 3. So for me, this one is okay for now. So we're going to turn it, like I said, we work from the right to left when we're doing crochet. So this chain 2 stands for 1 double crochet. Like I said, we have counted this. We have 8 stitches, 8 double crochet stitches. So we're going to continue growing our work. So now yarn over, start your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's double crochet. So you go on and on and on like that. You can see it's easier when you start growing it. You can easily insert your hook in the stitches, it's better. So not like when you're inserting it into chain stitch. These ones are more visible to your eyes. You can easily see them. So now we have done this. You see what I'm talking about now. Now look at this. If you look at it this very way, it looks as if you are through, but you're not done, because if you count the stitches, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we're going to do 8 stitches to have achieve a straight edging. So this is the way you have to put your stitch marker. You're supposed to have put it since, but because I want to show you how to do it, that's why I didn't put it. So because this place is going to hide for you, so you mark it like this. So when you mark it like this, automatically when you get to this space, you remember you still have 1 more stitch to do. So when you get here, what you do is that you remove your stitch marker, like I said. So you remove your stitch marker, then you're going to sorry about that, insert your hook there. Make sure you don't pick one, you put it very well. Sometimes it's not really easy to do, but you have to do it. Make sure you have 2 here, it's not just 1. So you insert your hook, you yarn over is picking the yarn, putting the yarn on your hook, you pull through 1, you have 3, you yarn over, you pull through 1, then you yarn over again and pull, you pull through 2, then you pull through 2 again. So, and that is it. So if you count it now, you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go on and on and on like that. Let's do another one. 2. So you turn your work, you continue. So you go, so like this. So you go on and on and on and on and on. So